Mario Labad and welcome to Click Celebrity Corner, where beautiful people meet and share their thoughts because every story inspires and every inspiring story must be shared. Our guest tonight is another story of an empowered woman. She will share to us her journey as a mother, an entrepreneur, and a beauty queen mom. Friends, please welcome the owner and CEO of Easy Docs Insurance Services and Lens Image Factory Studio, and soon will launch her own fashion line, the Sherilyn Collections. Mrs. Noble Queen Earth 2022, the beautiful Miss Sherilyn Shirata. Hi, Miss Sherilyn. Welcome to Click Celebrity Corner.
Hello.
And thank you for joining us tonight. I know you're quite busy the past few days with your
Yes.
charity works.
Yes.
So how's everything with you right now?
Everything is good naman po. Yeah. We have a lot of charity works for the Noble Queens, and also I'm busy for my business and upcoming business.
Oh yeah, you have plan. Diyos ko, ang dami mong negosyo ngayon.
Yeah.
Miss She, what does the title mean or done to your life so far?
Madaming nagbago sa buhay ko. Madaming naging offer, mas nakilala ako. Changed my life talaga.
Pati sa negosyo ba?
Yes po, pati sa negosyo, maraming naging opportunity nagbukas.
But what does it take to be a Mrs. Noble Queen, particularly Mrs. Noble Queen Earth?
Actually, since before kasi, mahilig na akong mag-charity. And the Noble Queen is more on advocacy and more on charity. So, as of now, mas marami na akong nakakatulong ng mga Queen Sisters sa mga charity na ginagawa.
During your younger days ba, pinanghanap mo bang maging beauty queen talaga? Or did you aspire to be a beauty queen?
Actually, when I was young, my dream ko is to become a model.
Talaga?
Not a beauty
At
queen,
least
to become
na-attain
a
mo
model.
naman somehow.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes.
But as a beauty queen, hindi never.
No, to become a model talaga since I was a kid. Kasi payat talaga ako na ano.
But you
slim.
didn't join any beauty pageant before?
No, this is the first time. And I think
Talaga?
last.
Oo.
Yes.
Pati ba, but modeling you tried before this pageant? Talaga?
Before
the
the pageant?
pageant?
No, after I get the...
after winning the crown, nandiyan ka ba? Okay.
Yeah.
What changed your mind now that you're a mother at naging beauty queen ka?
Actually, some of my friends convinced me to become a beauty queen, like here in Noble Queen of the Universe. May nag-offer sa akin before, other organization, pero mas pinili ko tong Noble Queen of the Universe kasi nga, hindi siya nalalayo sa advocacy or sa adhikain ko bilang isang single mom.
Yes. And what was the reaction of your family?
Surprise. And of course, they support naman.
Hindi ba sila, as you mentioned, a surprise, is na amazed, wow, especially your son. My God, my mom is now a beauty queen.
Actually, they support me naman. And they surprised, and now nagugulat din sila sa mga nangyayari sa akin na mas nakikilala ako.
Para sa iyo, what is a beauty queen?
A beauty queen is inside heart, inside and out. For me, is inside the heart, kagandahan ng kalooban.
And you are involved in various charities like?
Like helping young people. And any charities na ginagawa ng mga queens, nagsusupport ako. And always I'm preparing the school supplies. Pinamimigay ko sa mga student na nangangailangan.
Is it in Metro Manila?
In Pampanga, last time in Parañaque. Yes, kung sino yung mag-ano sa akin na kailangan nila ng school.
But do you raise funds for that?
My own. And he helped me also. My own
Talaga?
funds. Yeah.
How about, why not put up your own foundation na lang?
Actually, that's my dream, to have my own foundation. Siguro soon, not now. Because I'm too busy as of now to... But that's what
That's your dream.
My dream and my plan, maybe in the future.
The soonest.
Soonest, yeah.
And Miss She, I've read in one of your posts that your son just finished pilot.
Just finished aeronautical engineering. And now he's taking a pilot.
Will it take more years?
I think it's 2 years, right?
Yeah,
it's 2 years for taking a flying lesson.
What does it take to be a single mom?
It's hard. It's very hard to have an obligation to my son and my family because I'm a breadwinner as well. So it's very hard for me, but I fight.
Yeah, really. Yeah. At least taking aeronautical engineering is not that easy and it's not that cheap.
Totoo.
Diba?
Yes. That's why.
For all the hard work.
Hard work.
Yes. And he's happy of what he was.
Yeah.
Now, but you are raising him alone. What was the biggest challenge so far?
Best challenge, yeah, to become a mom and dad to him is very hard. Especially lately, I got a problem with him, but then now okay na, na-solve na namin with the help of him.
Talaga? Ay, sa good mo pala. Now you as an entrepreneur, you're involved into insurance services. Is this life or non-life?
Non-life is for the cars.
For okay.
Comprehensive. And for the LTO, yung mga third party.
But you established this alone long before.
No, not just starting.
Bago lang.
Baby pa siya. Yeah.
Talaga? Your own effort?
Yeah.
Or both of you?
No, just my own effort.
Talaga?
My friends.
So you have a partner, business partner with that?
Yes, my kuya in Eagles.
So how are you as a boss?
Mabait.
How many employees
Sabi
do you
nila
have?
Mabait.
In
EasyDocs, I have 3.
Okay.
In my
other businesses?
Other business photography studio, I have 3 also.
Your photography studio, is this for what? For cover or for yung mga
photo coverage.
Okay.
I have
video and photo.
Yes, I have the studio na nag-o-offer ng iba't ibang layout for the photo shoot.
Yes, photo shoot. Where is this?
Angeles, Pampanga. Near Clark.
Okay. Paano kung may mga fashion pictorial? Sayang naman.
Also.
But so far, it's doing good.
It's doing good.
And who chose your photographer, videographer? Ikaw. Talaga? Did you require them any, the background, training?
No, it depends on the client. Sa request ng client. Kung ano yung gusto nila, yung desire nila, binibigay namin.
I also read in one of your posts online, you said, and I quote, "Success is not merely the culmination of achievements, but the embodiment of integrity, compassion, and the commitment to serve a greater God." Can you please expound a little more about this?
Yeah, kasi for me, nagsimula kasi ako sa wala. Yeah, as a single mom, so pinalaki ko yung anak ko ng walang support and
You didn't require the father?
No, he don't want to support. That's why I nagsikap ako para sa anak ko at sa pamilya ko. That's why nasasabi ko yung bagay na.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Pero it made you stronger?
Yeah, as a single mom, you have
a better single mother?
Yes.
And a better person?
Inspiration to others.
Nagkaroon ba may lumapit ba sa'yo to seek their advice regarding single parenthood?
Yes, sometimes.
Especially with your crown?
Then, sinasabi ko lang sa kanila na you have to be strong and trust you can do everything.
Would you consider yourself that you're now a successful woman?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so, and I hope I can be more successful soon.
How will you define success?
Define success na na-achieve mo na yung lahat. Na-achieve mo na for your family, for your son, for my son, and for my business. Yeah, I think so.
At this point in your life, which comes first? Being a businesswoman, you're a mother, or your duties as a pageant winner?
That is a hard question. But I think for my son, and for my family. Yeah, kasi sabi nga nila, dahil nga yung pageant namin is for charities, start for charities and 60% for charities. So sabi nga nila, yung charity, start from your family. So, unang-una, tulungan mo muna yung pamilya mo bago ang ibang tao. So, pag na-achieve mo ng maganda na yung buhay ng pamilya mo, you can share to others.
Okay. You may answer this or not. What was the biggest complaint you got from your son?
The biggest complaint is my time.
Talaga? Ever since ba, when he was small?
Yes, because I'm working, so I don't have time for him always. He grew up with my mom and dad.
Okay.
Yes.
Talagang ginag-complain niya palagi. You feel bad every time?
Yes, I feel bad.
I
feel bad just lately. I feel bad. I become sad because of that. I think I'm not enough. Oh my God.
It's okay. Sorry. So, tissue.
No. Yeah, I feel bad for that.
Paano mo, buti hindi siya naging rebel, you know?
Actually not. He's a good guy. And yeah, I'm lucky that hindi siya naging yung bisyo, ganyan.
Yes, he don't exactly.
He don't smoke, he don't drink, he don't drink. That's why I still feel lucky.
Paano, ano yung assurance na inaibigay mo sa kanya? As the mother?
Yung matapos yung pag-aaral niya. For me is enough. Yung maging maayos yung buhay niya. To get a better future. Like, for me, that's enough.
Ano naman ang sabi niya sa iyo?
Now, sinasabi niya sa akin na tatapusin niya yung pag-aaral niya.
Talaga? Maging pilot?
Yes, and soon he will help me, sabi niya.
Talaga? Paano kung
pero for me, hindi naman ako nag-a-assume na tulungan niya ako in the future because I'm ready for that.
Okay.
For me lang yung makita ko na okay na siya, happy na siya, at stable na siya, I'm happy for that.
Okay, so you have no demands from him?
Yes.
Pero at this point pa, may mga complaints ba siya sa iyo?
Only that for my time, right?
But he's college graduate na siya, time pa rin ang kailangan niya.
Maybe he's looking for the mommy and daddy like that.
Talaga? But at least you've explained it to him naman. And the lolo and the lola naman siguro, there for him. Yeah. So, how do you use your title to promote entrepreneurship and empowering aspiring business individuals, particularly women?
Siguro masasabi ko yung sa pagtulong ko sa ibang tao. I use my title as a Noble Queen Earth para mas madami pa akong matulungan.
Do you encourage also young moms to join pageants?
Yes. Kasi this pageant is not only a beauty pageant. This is an advocacy pageant.
Okay.
To help para mas marami pa kaming matulungan na tao na nangangailangan.
Pero when you say advocacy pageant, how many advocacies do you need to support?
How many? How many advocacies? It depends on the candidate, on the delegates, what advocacy they have. So we will support that. Kasi in this pageant, the advocacy is 60%.
Okay.
Then the rest is the beauty and yung mga suot nila.
Yes.
National costume. Like
Q&A.
We don't have Q&A. It's all about advocacy.
There's really a search?
This is really a search. Tapos magpe-present sila sa amin ng videos at saka mga pictures ng mga nagawa nilang charity before. Iko-compile nila yon. So, yun yung i-judge namin kung they have a good advocacy.
This is a yearly thing.
Yes. And since I am the National Director of Noble Queen of the Universe since last year.
Okay.
So, my pageant is on next July, I think.
July na. So far, do you have candidates?
So far, we already have 6, I think. Yes.
This is nationwide?
Nationwide. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
So, yun ang requirement nyo, advocacy video?
Yes po.
Talaga, age?
No age limit because meron din kaming mga 60 years old.
Regarding age limit, since you have proven yourself that you can be a beauty queen, wala ka bang balak mag-join ng Miss Universe Philippines? There is no age limit, no height requirements, di ba?
Yeah, pwede din engage.
Oo.
Pero wala akong planong mag-join na. okay na ako sa title ko.
But what can convince you to join Miss Universe Philippines?
I don't think so. I don't have any plan to join Miss Universe. Kasi for me, that is for Miss Universe lang talaga. At saka sinabi naman ng CEO ng Miss Universe na parang salim-pusa lang yung mga, diba? So, the gay and the old married people is just salim-pusa lang. Parang, what's the purpose?
Yung video na ayong...
Yes, what's the purpose of that? So,
but you felt bad when you hear that?
Oo naman, di ba? Parang nakakasad sa mga gustong sumali, lalo na di ba lately may sumali. 69 years old.
Yeah, si Pilar.
Si Pilarski. So parang I feel bad. Bakit pa nila sinabi na kailangan, na pwede na mag-join? Tapos at dahil sasabihin nila na saling-pusa. Parang niloloko nyo ba yung mga tao? Diba? Kawawa naman yung...
Diba? Yung may chance.
Yes.
Diba? But in your Miss Noble Queen Universe, wala naman kayong mga discriminations?
Wala pa.
Or mga...
Kasi ang ano namin is makatulong ng ibang tao, ma-empower sila.
You don't travel nationwide?
Nationwide. We travel if pag may project kami.
Go for charity, but for looking for candidates.
Nagpo-post lang po kami sa Facebook. Pero actually kasi talaga, yung kailangan na manalo dito is Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Tatlo. Na yung tatlo na yon lalaban sila international. Like me before, I am Luzon.
Okay.
Noble Queen Luzon. Lumaban ako sa Japan.
And then, what happened in Japan?
And then I got this title for international.
So that's the title from Japan.
International title.
Okay. Ilan kayo sumali doon?
Christina Gonzalez.
Kayo kabatch?
Yeah, kabatch. Christina Gonzalez ako, tapos Lairab 1. But Christina Gonzalez got the title, Noble Queen of the Universe.
You got the Earth.
I got the Earth.
And the others?
International.
Filipino din.
And the other one is Japanese.
Now, with that title again, Miss Len, Share or Len, did somehow, of course, definitely it changed your life. But ano yung naging napatunayan mo sa sarili mo with this title?
Napatunayan ko sa sarili ko with this title is I can do everything. Yeah, na kung before hindi ako nakikilala ng tao, ngayon nakikita na nila ako sa TV, sa dyaryo, sa magazine. So, I feel lucky na nakuha ko tong title na to.
And are you also thankful that there's a search like that nowadays?
Yes, and also thankful ako kasi mas marami pa akong natutulungan na tao with the help of my Queen Sisters.
Hanggang kaya ng pagtulong mo sa mga tao?
Hanggat nabubuhay ako.
Talaga? Baka magtampo naman ang anak mo.
Nauuna naman po siya. Always.
Ay, mga magulang mo.
Hindi naman
sila nagko-complain?
Hindi naman po. Happy sila for what I am.
Talaga? That's good. Now, what lessons have you learned in life from all these experiences, both as an entrepreneur and a pageant winner?
What lesson I learned? Unang-una siguro yung sa pag-trust sa tao.
Okay. What do you mean pag-trust sa tao?
Even though mabait talaga siguro ako, pero ang dami kasi ngayon nanluloko.
So naloko ka many times over?
Many times, pero I still giving a chance.
Okay.
I'm still giving a chance sa mga tao na...
Money matters to? Diyos ko, tapos give it a chance pa rin?
No, sa ibang tao na talaga.
Okay.
Kailangan na nating maging mapanuri or kailangan na natin munang kilalanin mabuti bago ka mag-trust. Yun yung una kong natutunan. Especially pag nakikilala ka na, mas marami yung lumalapit.
So you felt ba parang na-abuse ka somehow?
I think so. Siguro kasi parang feel bad pa rin ako na pag na-confront ko sila. So I just keep quiet and let it be. Ganon.
Talaga? Pero mga parents ba, ang sabi nila, reaction nila?
Siyempre, nagagalit sila pero sinasabi ko na lang na okay lang yun. Diyos na yung bahala sa kanila.
And what advice can you give young women again out there na who have dreams to become beauty queen someday and pursue their plans in life?
Masasabi ko lang sa kanila, pagpatuloy lang nila kung ano yung dream nila, kung ano yung pangarap nila sa buhay. Kasi walang imposible.
Okay.
Yes, walang imposible sa mga pangarap natin. Kung desidido tayo, gawin natin. Kung gusto natin, magagawa natin. Walang imposible sa buhay.
That's good.
Confidence, self-confidence.
Okay. With the title ba, nagdagdag ba ang confidence ni Miss Shirley?
Yes. Oo. Before
talaga?
kasi super mahihiyain ako.
Oo.
Camera shy.
Oo. Wala pa
Camera shy,
swimwear
pero
competition sa pageant?
Wala po. Sportswear lang.
Sportswear, oo. So, paano mo na-outgrow yung shyness mo with the title?
Si Patricia Beer, kasi siya yung Noble Queen Earth 2019.
Okay.
So,
Siya babaw sa inyo?
Opo. Ginaguide niya ako lagi, tapos lagi niya akong niyayaya pag may TV guesting. So, tinuturuan niya ako, ginaguide niya ako. So, sa kanya, madami akong natutunan.
Talaga?
Kasi alam mo naman, artista.
Oh, yeah. At si Shirley, si Christina.
Christina Gonzalez siya also.
It's good.
Now, so, mga naging friend ko sila, natuto ako sa kanila.
Oo, that's good. And lagi ka nagsasama sa everywhere, di ba? Yung mga mga activities.
Activities lagi kami magkakasama.
Okay.
Especially Patricia Javier, very active.
Anong advice nakuha mo kay Patricia at kay Christine?
Advice na nakuha ko sa kanila, yung self-confidence. At saka si Patricia super bait. Napaka mapagbigay na tao, napaka madaling lapitan. Nakikita ko kasi sa kanya, hindi siya mahirap kausap, sobrang bait. Si Christina, ganun din, napakabait din. Pero hindi kami lagi nagkakasama ni Christina kasi she is busy also.
Okay,
pero si Patricia, mas madalas kong kasama.
Kung magkakaroon problema in terms sa inyong organization, nahinga mo sila ng advice? Do you seek advice?
Especially Patricia because madali siyang makausap, madali siyang hinga ng advice. Pag sinabi kong, sis, may problema, ganito, ganyan, don't worry sis, masusolusyonan natin yan. God will provide, like that. It's always like that.
What's the biggest challenge you're facing right now na ikaw ang National President of Noble Queen
The biggest challenge, I think wala pa akong na-encounter na malaking problema here. Wala pa po so far. Everything will good.
How about when you joined the pageant before? Ano yung maging challenge mong na-experience mo?
Challenge ko before, yun nga, yung wala akong self-confidence, sobrang mahihiyain ako. Takot ako, kinakabahan ako lagi. Yun yung na-overcome ko ngayon. Even though minsan kinakabahan pa rin ako, kahit ngayon kinakabahan ako, pero hindi na katulad before.
Okay. So yung pasarela training kayo?
Yes, meron
diba?
Meron akong pasarela training, meron akong, yung self-confidence.
And how are you talking, di ba?
Talk, yeah.
So it developed you to a better beauty queen.
Yeah.
Or a better version of yourself. Di ba?
Yeah, you're right. A better version of myself than before. It's really changed a lot.
That's good. Now, how do you envision yourself in the next 5 to 10 years?
A successful businesswoman, I hope.
Of course, with the help of your partner, your current partner.
Yes. And actually, the new coming soon beauty salon.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later. Okay. Now, I'm just mas interested ako sa how's your love life today?
Oh my God. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, my love life now is good.
You met him here?
I met him in Singapore.
Okay. He's a businessman.
He's a finance guy.
Oh, okay. Advisor. Kaya you have a good advisor,
He's a finance director.
Okay.
Actually, we met in Singapore last February.
Okay.
And we've been together since 5 months.
Was it love at first sight?
No. I don't know him. For me, it's not.
So, how did it develop? Is it a long distance Love affair?
Actually, he always visit me here in Philippines. Monthly.
Actually, Singapore is just near. He's Singapore-based until now.
Yeah, he's Singapore-based. He's from France, but Singapore-based. Then, every month he's here in the Philippines to visit me. Walang palya.
Oh. Have you visited this country?
Not yet.
Talaga? You've met his family?
Not yet.
Talaga? May balak, syempre, dapat pumunta ka.
Do you have plan?
Yes. What's the best trait you like about him?
Yun nga, yung matyaga siya. Kahit na ipinupush ko siya or sinasabi ko sa kanya na hindi ko kailangan yung someone beside me or pinipilit niya. Ginagawa niya yung best niya para ipatpatunay niya sa akin na he will support me.
And of course he's single.
He is.
And how's his relationship with your son?
It's very good. Okay naman sila. Maganda yung relasyon nila. Parang yung anak ko lumalapit sa kanya pag may problema. Nakakapagsalita sa kanya ng problema niya.
So actually, nung nagkaroon kami ng image, no?
Yes, actually nung nagkaroon kami ng hindi magandang pagkakaunawaan ng anak ko, siya yung umayos.
That was the first time na hindi kayo nagkasundo ng anak mo?
Yes, ng anak ko.
Bakit? It took time?
Kasi nga yung parang inipon niya yung sama ng loob niya sa akin. So parang sumabog siya. Tapos yung umayos sa aming dalawa, ako mausap sa anak ko, siya.
Si Sir Jerome.
So,
pero graduate na siya noon?
Just lately, just a few months ago. 1 month ago, 2 months ago. Like.
Kung kailan siya nag-graduate, ba siya sumabog?
Looking my attention.
Talaga. Kawawa naman si Kuya. Yeah. Now, if you were to message your younger self, what would this be and why?
Message for my younger self. Nung bata pa ako, ang message ko is, you did your best.
Wow! Yeah. And you've proven it.
Yes.
And
kasi eto na ako ngayon, narating ko na yung gusto ko. That's why.
Now, let's talk about your... before that, you're the cover of the latest Best magazine, right?
Yes, Best magazine.
Di ba?
Philippine Paces of Success 2024.
It's available now.
Yes, already available.
Okay. It's out in the market. Now, let's talk about your other businesses na ibubuksan mo. This fashion line, the Sherilyn Collections, ano to you design?
Yes. With the help of my friend.
Okay.
Emily C.
Okay. Ano to, lang high fashion or
gowns?
Gowns lang?
For a beauty queen.
Okay. So you have
beauty queen and wedding gowns.
Okay. So where is where is it being displayed?
In Parañaque.
Okay. When is the opening nga pala?
Sa March 24 is a grand opening.
Okay. Where?
Shop in Parañaque.
Doña
Soledad.
It's in Sucat.
Sucat, Parañaque.
Okay. This is in before SM Sucat?
Yes, near.
Near SM Sucat. What's the name of the building?
Fashion Emporio. The name of the building, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Because si Emily C kasi yung talagang main na
okay.
But
your partners.
So, di-display ko lang yung mga creation doon.
I mean, you really design, you took fashion designing, wala? Pang video
lang.
I like
fashion.
You like, of course, So, out of your,
parang may kinonvince lang ako ng mga friend ko, yan nga sila, Emily C., Sir John Guarnes, Bench Bello, si Marjorie Ranor, yung mga kasama ko sa fashion and
But sino nag-execute ng design?
Lahat sila kasi designer.
Okay.
So parang kinonvince nila ako na bakit hindi ka maglabas ng line mo. Ipapakilala ka namin sa publiko, kami na yung bahalang magdala sa'yo.
Okay.
So yan, doon nag-start yun. Kaya ngayon, ilo-launch nila ako by April.
Okay.
Pero yung shop will open on March 24.
Pero yung parang yung production site mo, nasaan? Kung saan mo
doon po.
Doon din po. Talaga? So yung mga mananahi ka na doon?
Yeah.
Kompleto na. Wow! But it didn't take few units or a short course in fashion designing?
No, I don't have.
Idea lang, ganitong Gusto ko parang ganyan.
Yeah, idea lang. Ganito gusto ko. Tapos si Emily, sina lahat yung gagawa.
Talaga?
Pero yung brand, sa akin na, pangalan ko talaga.
The collection, Sharon Collections.
Sharon Collections.
Talaga.
So, mag-start ako doon.
And
then, hopefully, lumaki.
Okay. So, aside from that, aside from your photo studio, what else are you planning to open? The business?
Plan naming mag-open ng beauty salon.
Yes.
Beauty Essential by Sir George Salon.
Okay.
Nag-franchise kami sa Sir George Salon.
This is yours lang?
No, he's my partner.
Kayong dalawa? Saan naman to?
It's in BGC, Tuscany.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Just everyday pupunta ka doon?
Yeah, my business is wherever the place. Paranaque, BGC, Angeles, Pampanga, yes.
Pero when will it be open? The salon, George Salon?
Sir George Salon will be open on maybe end of April or 1st of May.
Why not also in Paranaque Salon?
Actually, this is 3. So for now, isa lang muna sa BGC.
So your contract with George Salon is 3 outlets?
Yes. So, mag-start kami in BGC first, then we're looking for another.
Kasama dun sa pinirmahan yung kontrata are the products?
With the products?
Do they have the products for sa salon?
Yeah. Kasama na.
How expensive it is to have a franchise from George?
It's not expensive from the franchise. For the franchisee, if you will get the 3 package, it's 500,000.
Talaga?
Pero lahat ng expenses from the renovation
sa inyo, of course,
furniture, products, lahat sa amin.
Okay. Why BGC?
Kasi first, naghahanap kami ng location sa Angeles, Pampanga, where I'm living. Para hindi malayo. Kaso, nahirapan kami maghanap ng location.
Sa Pampanga?
Sa Angeles, Pampanga, sa Clark.
Talaga?
Bukod sa punuan na, tapos expensive pa yung rent. Yes.
More expensive than BGC?
Yes. So, Direct Larry, the owner, the CEO of Sir George Salon, offer us the BGC. So, sabi namin, bakit hindi natin i-visit yung place? Kasi, it's a promising BGC, di ba?
Yeah.
So promising.
But there are too many salons there right now. Marami ring salon doon ngayon,
di ba? I think so. Pero, yun nga, binisit namin yung place, and nagustuhan namin.
Okay.
So, yun, yung una naming salon will start in BGC.
Saan ang next?
Not yet. Medyo not yet. Kasi, kailangan namin maghanap ng magandang location. Yung promising talaga.
Walang Sir George sa Paranaque.
Wala pa ba?
Wala akong nakikita.
Yeah, maybe we will check.
Anyway, please promote all your businesses and your social media outlets where to visit all these places.
Please support all my business, EasyDocs Insurance and Services, Angeles, Pampanga, near po sa LTO, Angeles LTO. And my Lens Image Factory Studio and Balibago, Angeles, Pampanga. Yung mga gusto po mag-photoshoot, mag-avail ng package namin, you're welcome. Visit our page, Lens Image Factory Studio, on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And of course, my Sherilyn,
your personal account, your social media,
collection,
where to follow you.
Soon. Yeah, coming soon.
Okay,
and the beauty salon is coming soon also.
And the magazine, please flash it again.
Of course, the magazine, Best Magazine by Richard.
Is this your first time? I've read it the first time na cover ka sa magazine.
This is my first time na na-cover. Oo, tama po. First time na na-cover ako sa magazine, Best Magazine. Na-feature na ako sa magazine.
Before?
Ganap Magazine, international magazine.
Cover din?
No, not cover.
But this time it's cover.
But this time is cover. So I'm so proud.
And how do you feel about it?
I'm so proud.
Ang sabi ng mga friends mo?
Yeah, di ba? Naging cover na.
Ang sabi ni Sir Jerome?
He said he's proud. He said he's proud.
And that's good. And on that note, good luck to all your business.
Thank you so much for having me here.
And also, more power.
Thank you.
Okay. Miss Shea, please invite everyone, especially the young mothers out there, to join Miss Noble Queen Universe Philippines.
Oh, yes. Iniimbitahan ko po yung mga mommies na dream maging Noble Queen of the Universe o maging Beauty Queen. Join po kayo sa pageant namin, Noble Queen of the Universe Philippines.
How?
You can visit our page, Noble Queen of the Universe Philippines page on Facebook. Nandun po yung link na pipilapan nyo para makapag-join sa amin. And then, magme-message po kami sa inyo para isend yung mga kailangan nyong gawin or requirements.
Where's the deadline?
The deadline, our pageant is on July, so you can visit our page now para makapag-fill up na.
Okay. On that note, thank you very much, Ms. Shea, and
so
more power.
Thank you so much.
At this point, we would like to thank some generous friends. To Mr. Eugene Yap, the General Manager of Bayview Park Hotel, Manila. To Ms. Verdi Galang, the Sales and Marketing Officer, and to her assistant, Ms. Shannon Sornes. Thank you very much for your support. And to Fritzy and Olga of Nes Astilla Salon, they have 3 branches in Metro Manila. And hi to a very good friend of ours, Arthur Catibog, who is now based in Italy. And also we would like to thank Mr. Richard Hinola for facilitating this interview. Till next episode, as we bring you more meaningful and inspiring stories only here on Click Celebrity Corner.